We know that the health of the planet and the health of people are very tightly linked.
Environmental change can result from both human-induced pressures as well as natural variability that exists in marine ecosystems.
Massive changes in climate, population, pollution, and consumption patterns are placing coastal and ocean systems at increasing risk.
Coral reefs are some of the most important ecosystems on the planet. Coral reefs serve as the home for 25% of all marine species.
The subsistence fishing, commercial fishing, aquaculture, mining, shipping, and tourism. Each of these various sectors will be influenced in some way or another.
Many innovative, multi-use concepts have recently been proposed by the marine planning, scientific and business community. However, actual multi-use developments are few, mainly due to the lack of knowledge about potential impacts on the economy and the marine environment.
These conflicts are fueled by diverse views, diverse interests and values amongst actors, and emerging recognition of the rights of customary fishers who are increasingly claiming their rights to historical fishing grounds.
Although shipping is a carbon-efficient transport medium, there is an increasing focus on its broader environmental consequences.
Attaining these goals, these multiple goals, is complex and can frequently lead to conflict.
The giants of the sea live in these oceanfront ecosystems. Fronts happen all around the world, lasting for days or weeks.
Seawater, however, can also be considered as a low-grade liquid ore that can sustainably provide many more minerals than just table salt and potable water.
Algoa Bay has become a hub for research with extensive data sets across the marine sciences, law, and social science disciplines.
Cone snails are regarded as pharmacological treasures, as their venom contains hundreds of small, biologically active peptides known as conotoxins with high therapeutic potential.
Nowhere else in the world is there such a dynamic landscape with a multitude of habitats shaped by wind and tides. Global biodiversity is reliant on the Wadden Sea.
The conflict comes in many forms. It can be between many or few. It can be persistent or it can be new conflict, and it may differ in terms of the social dynamics.
Standard management approaches are not adequate for dealing with these massive changes.
These ephemeral ecosystems of the sea support the most spectacular species in the oceans. But all of this will change. As ocean temperatures warm, currents will move. Can we conserve the apex ocean predators if these unique ecosystems shift?
The research teams will engage with stakeholders in iconic locations around the world.
What we're really hoping to do is to understand whether or not we can create resilient and healthy reefs with thriving and abundant fisheries, where the benefits of this healthy ecosystem can then be reaped by local populations.
We have assembled a unique partnership between coastal, marine, and social scientists, report card practitioners, systems dynamic modelers, and stakeholders.
We aim to identify the interactions between social and ecological dynamics that led to the conflict in each of the case studies using process tracing, where we identify conflict pathways.
And this project came about through meetings we had with the community about protecting biodiversity and how we can move forward with the community to try and preserve some of the biodiversity in their area.
Sustainable and efficient use of ocean space can be achieved through the combination of different ocean uses, both in close proximity, through joint operations, or on the same platform.
Active interventions will be required to sustain coral reefs in a high CO2 world.
We seek to bridge the gap between science, policy, and practice.
The transdisciplinary approach of incorporating the social sciences with the natural sciences, involving practitioners, engaging with key stakeholders in the study sites is an absolute necessity for the co-production of our Coast Guard.
We can overcome this challenge by passively collecting these organisms from natural reefs using a foot-squared structure called arms.
We'll look at how, for example, how many dilutions are required to render the brine non-toxic to organisms in the receiving environment.
Ixibus's success stems from an effective dialogue that will exist between scientists and managers and the communities and various different stakeholders.
The project aim is to increase the knowledge base and capacity of public and private actors for ocean multi-use systems.
To gain a deeper understanding of the causes and possible development trajectories of ocean conflict, and to develop locally sensitive but globally relevant negotiation and conflict management knowledge.
The goal of OAME is to evaluate whether the Onasun model can counter local ocean acidification, and whether it could be exported to other reef environments.
We will be focusing on how we can accelerate the discovery of novel conotoxin of interest from French Polynesian cones using state-of-the-art technologies such as transcriptomics and proteomics.
CONS project will analyze sustainability of the 5 different coastal ocean regions under the impact of ongoing and projected climate change.
ShipTrace will deliver environmental, legal and economic assessments of near-term and long-term solutions to emission reduction strategies.
The Ocean Functions project will help reconcile human activities and wildlife conservation in the Mozambique Channel and elsewhere in the world.
And our ambitious aims are to understand marine resource conflicts and to develop practical strategies for conflict transformation and for ocean sustainability pathways.
Funded by the Belmont Forum, a consortium of national science funding agencies,
we are a truly transdisciplinary team, being comprised of natural, physical and social scientists, as well as resource economists.
We believe that this new and powerful collaboration will promote behavior change and collective action to accelerate the sustainable and equitable use of oceans and coastal systems in an era of rapid global change.